Hello everybody. I've been a while since I've done a video, but I'm doing a heater core on a 2009 Ford Ranger. And I just want to show y'all some things you have to do to get that heater core out. First of all, take the two hoses off, just a couple of clamps, and slide your hoses off. And then you'll have these nuts on the evaporator housing. There's one nut, there's two nuts, and then there's one right down there on the bottom. Now, after doing that, I didn't take the Freon hoses off the evaporator housing, because with taking those nuts off, I can slide this housing back about, about an inch and a half. Because what you're going to have is right behind this evaporator housing, behind it, you'll pull this whole piece off, out away from the firewall, and then there'll be nuts everywhere there's a stud at. Right behind it, there'll be nuts back there. And there's 7/16 nuts. Just take those off. That way it'll allow you to slide the inside box out of the dash. Okay, well, we got this out here. I've already put it back together, partially back together. Let me show you the inside here. Oh no, go in here. Okay, the inside, I've got the dash off. Let me show you what I had to do to take the dash off. Well, let me show you this. There's a stud right down here at the bottom of this box. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, there it is. That stud right there. Once you take that stud off, then you'll be able to slide this heater box out from the firewall. You'll be able to slide it out. Once you slide this box out, which I've already done it, of course, then you'll slide it out of there. Oh, you need at least about, I'd say about 8 inches. This whole box, about 8 inches out this way. Then you take these little 5/16 bolts out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, I believe, on this top housing. And then pull your heater core out. Here's the old one right here. There's what the old one's gonna look like. Let me put it like that so you can see it. There you go. There's the old heater core. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this dash assembly back up on the dash, then I'll be back and I'll show you where all the bolts go. Here's one area, and there's 2 of them over there, and then 2 of them over here on the side that bolt up. Oh yeah, one thing while I'm in here, this is a piece that we'll have to take loose. This steering yoke right here. Before you pull this a dash assembly out, pull that steering yoke. Just one bolt that slides through there. I believe it's a 7/16. Then you can grab that, just leave your steering wheel on and all that, and grab that whole big old dash and pull it out. I'm gonna put it back up there and I'll be back and I'll show you the locations of all these bolts. Okay. I'm going to put you on hold and I'll be back.